on Cartoon Network.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Phew. Oh, look at my clothes.
I'll be more careful next time.
Well, let's hope there won't be a next time, or...
Hot for me, Mother?
Yes, I want you to wear my heirloom to the recital. Our heirloom.
Wait, you don't mean...
Yes. The Fairchild Moon. I was thinking, in case your routine goes poorly again, at least this time you'll look positively enviable.
Wow, I'm, speechless.
Oh, it just looks so divine on you. I remember my first time wearing the moon.
He broke the record, but he might have broken his jaw, too. Meet us at the hospital.